Right, just a short video about the new silent quieter, let's not call them silent, but quieter compressors that we now have in stock. So first of all, new hats, a lot of new merch. Make sure you get them on the website, merchandise section, £12.50, available in lots of colours. If you're anything like me, one thing that put me off of having air originally was the noise of the compressors, and that was kind of solved with the Endo CVT system, but that kind of fizzled out and failed and didn't happen. So you're then back to having noisy compressors again, and it does really bug me. Now if you're anything like me, I mean I clear off normally about 10 to 6, I go off to the gym in the morning, and I'm always dead conscious of the fact that the neighbours hear me air up and the compressor's going off. You could say don't air out when you pull in at night, but two things to say about that. When you're aired out, it protects your wheels from being nicked, and second, not that I live in a ropey air or anything, but I'm more comfortable when the fact that my wheels are tucked away. And also you can't have a van on air and not air out at night because it just looks stupid sitting on the road or on the drive. So anyway, back to the whole compressor thing. So compressors on vehicles with air are noisy, and we did a little video of them in the flatbed, but it was hard to give a real gauge of it, so we decided to do a proper video on this one. So Mikey is in the van now and he'll just demo how noisy a standard set of compressors are. So these are via 444s, there's 2 of them on this. So when you air up, they sound like this. Which is quite noisy. It's a little bit annoying. You get people looking at you thinking, why is your van making a funny noise? It sounds like it's broken if you're not used to a vehicle on air. So we started looking around for something that'd be a bit better, a bit of a quieter solution, and that's where these new compressors come in. So we're going to take this inside now, do some tests with a decibel meter and show you the difference between these and also our new quieter compressors. Right, so now for the scientific sound test with the decibel meter. So Mikey is going to start the compressors. What does that say? It's where the drive would be. Where's your ear protection now?
Sorry, what was that?
Don't talk, hang on. It's about 77.5. It is quite noisy, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
There you go. So let's try them afterwards. We'll test outside as well. We'll get a measurement outside. Outside now. So 83, 84-ish out here. And if you've seen our video on soundproofing we did on this, we did do loads of soundproofing under there in the engine under trays and stuff. So that gives us a good indication of how the standard compressors sound. So let's work these off, do a side-by-side test and get the new compressors on. Well, such a drama queen. Right, look everybody, Mitch is back. Look, he's even got his own uniform now, look at that. Ignore the shitty BMW logo. He likes VWs too. Say hello, Mitch. Hello. So, first of all, the 444. Oh yeah!
Bloody well, lad.
And now, the quieter compressor.
It's running.
Sounds a lot quieter, doesn't it?
It does sound a lot quieter.
Right, so 3 decibels is officially twice as loud, but the perception is 10 decibels. So if you can see a 10 decibel drop, you should be able to audibly hear half the sound. Does that make sense? That makes sense?
That makes sense, I got that.
Yeah, good. Whatever. I don't know, they're quieter. That's all you need to know. So that's them all fitted, and honestly they're amazing. They really are so much quieter. Even Mitch couldn't believe it. Now Mitch has fitted a lot of air in his time and still does fit air, if you're local to here and you're looking to have it air fitted, here's your guy. He's the right price, knows his stuff, quality work. He couldn't believe how quiet these were. And I was like gobsmacked, genuinely. I'm not just saying that because I wanted to buy them, but buy them. They're good shit, man. Right, okay, let's go and test them. So, the fact they're that quiet, we're going to have to turn the engine off because the engine's noisier than the compressors. So, let me just spin this round. So, the engine is noisier than the compressors now, so let me just, you have to turn the engine off there, Mikey. Really quiet. That's all you can hear. It's so much quieter. If you were like leaving for work early in the morning or going off to do a shift or something, your neighbours just wouldn't hear that. Or going to the gym or something, or whatever you decide to do early in the morning. Like if you hate your neighbours, have noisy compressors. If you like your neighbours or you like your missus or you don't want to wake your kids up and you're going off early, they're the way to go. And they really are so much quieter. You can't put it across in a video with just one of these, but they are so much quieter. Right, so inside now, and Mikey, let's put it by your head. So where are we at with that? What's that saying? Oh, hang on, we can't talk, can we? 67, 68 max. Massively quieter. There still is a slight echo in here, and that's to be expected, really. It's almost quite nice that you can hear that they're on. So you know that they're running, they've not failed or anything, but they sound so much quieter. If you've not got that deep drone and that deep rumble, you've just got like a kind of quiet echo in the background. So yeah, massively impressed with those. Available on the website. They come in singles or in pairs. Currently the way they're built, they can be mounted upside down or the right way up, and we're working with somebody to make there we go, get some side brackets made, or brackets made so they can be side mounted. They'll be coming soon and available on the website. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Quick video just on these compressors. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the little bell for notifications. And a new video coming soon. Hopefully in the next couple of days or next week, certainly we should have the next episode of the flatbed build. That's in paint now as we speak. So yeah, keep watching. Sorry, one last thing, just remembered, they feel quicker as well because they're bigger. Another bonus. Thanks for watching.